Hi, it's Patty again. Oh, and Radar. And behind the camera is Mike. Wave your hand in front of you. Okay, we're not professional. We don't pretend to be, and we don't claim to be. First off, new shirt from thehippiestore.com. Love it. Good deal. What I'm going to do today is unpack a microwave kiln that I got in the mail, that I ordered and got off of Amazon. It is called a Microwave Kiln and DIY Fusing Glass Jewelry Set by Isdabim. Yeah, say that 5 times real fast. It cost about $51 on sale. And I'm going to show you what comes in it, and then later on this week I will demonstrate it in another live video or another video on how you can use it. And then you can do some glass fusion jewelry. So come on over here and let's open the box. This is the box right here, small. Let's see what we got. We got safety gloves, which you're going to need because this kiln will be very hot when it comes out of the microwave. And normal microwaves will handle this. I think it has to get up to 1,000 degrees and like ours is 14. So gloves that are insulated. This is kiln paper. This is what you'll put down at the bottom of the kiln and put your glass on it so it doesn't stick to the kiln. The other way you can do it is use kiln wash, but this is easier. Oh my, you get all this stuff. Look, you get a glass cutter. That's pretty cool. This is a file so that you can file the edges down around the glass. I use this, a grinder, but that's kind of big and bulky. And you get glass. My goodness. I think all this is 90 COE, which that's something else I'll talk to y'all about whenever I do the demonstration. You get a little pack of squares, a little pack of confetti glass, some dichroic glass. Wow, you get a lot of stuff with this. And 2 different packs of Millefiori glass. I hope I'm saying that right. And then glass frit. So you get all that. We don't need no stinking instruction manual. Yes, you do. And now the actual kiln. Let's see. Hold on. I'm getting it. Ta-da! A kiln for the microwave. It's made out of what normal kilns have on the inside, a fire brick. It's light. It's lightweight. It's lighter weight than what I thought it would be. It has a little vent hole on the top. And that's the kiln. And it has some lining stuff right in there. So what you would do is you would put the kiln paper on the kiln, 1 sheet, and then put whatever design you do, put the top back on, stick it in the microwave, let it go. Or in other words, follow the instructions. So that's it. And what I'm thinking is, after I demonstrate this, probably later this week, that it will be a giveaway, which I haven't figured that one out yet. Last giveaway I had, only one person responded, and so she got the $20 gift certificate, and her name was Valerie Moss Sassy, and she happens to be my sister. So, nobody else entered. Somebody else would have entered, they might have had a chance, but she got it. Love you, Valerie. Congratulations. And that's it for right now, and I'll see y'all later. Hasta pasta.